Hey kids, welcome to ToyRap. Today we have a really cool Lego set. I was walking around in Target and I saw this Lego set, DC Comics superheroes, but this one in particular is Bane versus Robin, and I was thinking that's kind of a weird setup here. Like to pit Bane against Robin. I know they've fought before, but usually Bane is kind of a one-on-one against Batman. Against Robin, I don't think it's really a fair match, and I think Bane would always win. I mean, maybe against Nightwing it'd be a different story, but I don't know. Who do you guys think would win in a challenge? Bane versus Robin? Let me know in the comments below. And kids, stick around because later on in this video, we're gonna be doing a ToyRap crash challenge after we build this Lego set. All right, stick around, guys. Okay, so inside the box we have two plastic bags of Legos. We have a little poster here. We have a instruction manual for Robin right here, and another instruction piece of paper for Bane. Yeah, there you go. And we got a box here. Let's see what's inside this box. It's interesting. Oh, okay. We have a cape, Robin's cape, inside this little box. So let's see. I'm gonna start out with Robin first. Okay, so let's open up these packages here. Just a ton of pieces. And usually they number these bags, but I'm guessing the set is so small that they don't need to number them. I just finished building Robin's car, and it's kind of cool. It's like you got the large slick tires in the back and the short ones up front. It has a lot of details. The interesting thing, the best part about the car is this rear wing that has a big R on it. The interesting thing though is that the little guys that come with it, they're not your standard Lego characters, because the legs don't move back and forth. They're stationary. So it's something that's a little bit different. I wish they had the whole character with the movable legs, but I guess Lego decided to use these short little legs so that they fit into the car nicely. The car keeps falling apart, but really cool. Robin even has a grappling hook, which reminds me of the classic Robin series, where you see Batman and Robin climbing up walls using the grappling hook. It doesn't shoot out or anything, but the thing actually does come out like that. Here's the wall right here, and here's Robin. Toot, 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 toot. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Oh, yes. Sorry to disturb you. I'll be on my way. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, my wing keeps falling out. Oh, Robin. Okay, let's start building Bane. just finished the Bane car. And I have to say that I like this Bane car. I mean, I like the Robin one, but this Bane one is even cooler because it's got this drill which rotates on the front of Bane's vehicle here. It has a headlight that moves up and down. There you go. And flames coming out the back. I gotta give it to the Bane vehicle. It's just a little bit cooler here with this rotating drill in the front. And you know, I was looking at this character here, this Bane, and I was thinking, at first I was thinking, okay, there's no Venom pack, so maybe he will be an even matchup with Robin. However, I looked on the back, and yes, there is the canister of Venom, and it's being routed with this green wire to his head. So yes, I still think that this is very unfair of Lego to match up Bane against Robin. There really is no competition. Bane will hands down win. Robin, as always, is going to need Batman to come and rescue him, I think. All right, Toy Rappers, we are going to do a Toy Rap Crash Challenge of Robin Mighty Micro from Lego versus Bane Mighty Micro. All right. Going to be a race to 3, okay? Whoever gets 2 of 3 is the winner. All right, ready, steady, go. Round 1. Ooh. Oh, they're both standing. So we're gonna have to do a do-over there. Here we go. Ready, steady, go. Oh, Bane is knocked out. Robin's left standing, so he's gonna take the first point. Ready, steady, go. Oh, both standing. All right, they're pretty sturdy, these little Mighty Micros. Ready, steady, go. Oh, Robin knocked out. All right, so it's 1-1. Elimination round here. Whoever gets knocked out first. Okay, ready, steady, go. Oh, Robin! Knocked off of his little vehicle there. And Bane is your winner. Oh. So kids, as I suspected, Bane is victorious here. I don't think Robin is any match for Bane. Bane has a super intellect, and he's also super strong, especially with his canister of Venom in the back there. So Bane is the winner. Hey kids, well that's about it for this Mighty Micros Lego set. Bane versus Robin. I don't think it's a very fair challenge, but hey, they put them together in one box, so we built it. If you like these videos, guys, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the ToyRap channel. All right, I'm Andrew Dozo, and that's a Toy Rap.